Okay, so hello. So we are here to debate on private sector and government sector. So I wanna choose the government sector. So tell me the advantages of government sector. I will tell you the advantages of private sector. Okay, so firstly I wanna tell you about government job. So as you know, government job is most important for anyone's life, and the government job gives us a lot of things. So that's why to my mind government job are very important for us, because as you know government, when you do job in government sector, so they give you pension, they give you medical treatment, and they give you a lot of, but that's not so good. In private sector, private sector can give more higher salary than government sector. No, private sector can give higher salary than government sector, and government, so I'm talking about the pension and medical treatment and a lots of things government give us. So that's why to my, and everyone wanna do work in government job, because government job gives us a lot. True, but there is so many hassles to get the government job, but it's easy to get private jobs in private sector, and private sector can give private jobs, can people can get easily private jobs in their lives, and government jobs are good, yes I know, but it's also complicated. Government, okay, so you are saying this, we can get private job very easily. Yes. So you can see there are lots of people who are studying a lot because of government job, because they know what is the importance of government job. So they know the importance of government job, but they don't have any education about the private job. If they read about this, they can find private jobs easily. If they don't have that much knowledge and education, they can get private job easily. In my mind, everyone should study, because if they don't study, so they can't get government job. But there is so many people who do private job, like if they're not that professional, but they do small private jobs. It's not in big companies, but they can they can also start a restaurant. It's also private job, and it's also public welfare. So you are saying that we can do anything with the help of, if people don't get a mind when you do job and government job. If people don't get a government job, they can start their own business. It's also for public welfare, and there is and they provide so many jobs. If we see, if a man start a restaurant, so there is so many jobs in there, and there is also government has also a lots of jobs. But we can say that private sector is more better than government sector. No, I'm talking about the government job. So as you know, government job has only job, but the government jobs. You can also talk about the government schools. Yes, ma'am. I want to talk. No, you can see government job has a lots of poor children. They can't able to take study from high educated school. So that's why they are doing job. But poor people can't get higher educations in government schools. Government school is very important in our life, and government school is better school. And you can see there has a lots of IPS and IS. Important. Private sector can give more jobs. If we see in this generation, government don't go for youngsters for doing jobs, and we can see that the private sector is also help us in GDP. So we can say that private sector is also important for growing our GDPs, and this is a huge amount. Private sector can give more GDP than government government sectors. So what do you think about it? You can say that government sector is important. Yes, it's important, but we can say that private sector isn't important. It's also important, and we can see that government sector and private sector are of both are very important and both are very nice for us. But I want to tell you about the time is very important in our life. But private, but if you're working in a private job, so they has no any time. They can't change their time, and they can't have a government job. Government time has a lot to come. No, in government jobs we can see people are also don't get time, and they are transferred into other cities, and who got the job, he has to leave his family and live from in another cities. So we can say that, and if we see in private sector, people do their jobs in their surroundings and live with their families. It's also good for families. Yes, ma'am. But houses were very important in our. But you can see who person doing job in government sector. So government job. So you can see government give them government house. No, they live in there, and the house of the government. The house of the government is near the office. No, if we see in private sector, there are more private sectors who give these give things to their employees. And yes, ma'am, but the government employee also give us no, I will tell you an example. Like you have any disease, okay, and you are doing job in government sector. Yes. So they give you treatment. If you don't have money, so they give you treatment. It's also if you are sector, if you are working in private job, so they don't give you any kind of there are so many companies who give these kinds of provide these facilities to their employees. We can't say that private sectors can't do anything for their employees. They also do so many things for their employees. And private sector can't say that private sector is bad for people. It's very helpful people. If you see people who uneducated, who can't prefer studies, so they start their own business. They start their own business like tea selling, and there are so many jobs those are in private sectors, and they are doing their jobs. So we can say that private sector, the government is also very best. So private sector is more important for people. And in India we see that there are so many people who are uneducated and can't afford education. So because if we see in our villages, there are so many people who can't. But you can see they don't get any. You are talking about the initial time. Initial time has a lots of people who are not educated, but now then there are lots of people who are educated. So they want to work in government job, but they don't get but there are no so many government jobs. If people are educated, people are also wanted to government job, but instead can't get government job. There are so many hassles, so many competitions for finding the government job. But in private sector, people get easily their jobs. So we can say that private sector is better than the government sector. No, I don't think so. Private sector is good than government sector, because I'm saying this. You can there are lots of educated who wanna work in the government sector. And as you know, government sector is most important in our life. But if we want to